Pleasant day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Alright, guys, it is reported that a Mason man, R4P3D, a 6-year-old. No, sir. Guys, remember, no, them take away Daniel Rowe and do what them do with her. Now, it is reported that a 51-year-old R4P3D, a 6-year-old. This is come like it I get out of hand now, guys, from bad to worse. I don't understand how a big grown man feel look for one little picnic. No, sir. Let me get into the details, guys. Put some like on the video and leave a comment. Like the video for me. Not like the video for the article because we don't support them thing, but you not like it, you don't like it, it go to more people and them can see what go on in a Jamaica with them dirty boy. Alright? Offense and CHILD Sisoka. Alright, guys, let me explain something to you. So when we are talking about them thing at YouTube, take them really serious. So we can't use certain word them against certain policy and certain word. You understand? So we have to be careful. Let me just block the video. Meaning when I click on it, you can't watch it. And delete it off of them channel. So them stay. So when I read the article, be careful. I read it careful. And if you hear me spell out some word, those are the words I cannot speak. Alright? So I could get tonight. The Center for Investigation of the S of Child, Sisoka, is advising parents to keep an eye on the workmen them in their homes following the RAP of a 6-year-old girl in St. Anne's. Viewers and subscribers, Jano Star. Remember me telling you, say, 2 weeks ago was Daniel Rowe. Now, I love how them not put out the girl name just for protection. Charges 51-year-old Clive Green has been charged with 2 counts. I'm not forgetting the article I had too much because the words I'm in there, yeah. It is reported that Green troubled a young girl 2 times, guys. You understand? And both occasions, Green was hired for work at the people house. When he, whatever, you know the ball game, right? A report was made to the police and Green was subsequently arrested and charged following an interview. His court date is being arranged. Jaja. So imagine now. See, me have my little girl and me had and me employ 2 man for do some work. And you're going to tell me, say, not even that we can't trust, we can't trust a big man them with now. Ladies, you want to be careful of some man who not there with and I carry one on a pitney. Me I read the article and my last words, that's why I stutter, guys. So see with me. Be careful. Because if a woman did that, I want to take up some man. That this is not the case. I'm just going an example. And sometimes when the man want to take up, the man then did a trouble little pitney them. You know what I mean by trouble. And all then come and say, Mommy, David a trouble me. Move from your son top tell like David now do that. I no idea, I no hold it down, I no love sweets. And now we have Zane, a work man. We company people in property. See people them 6-year-old and in do what I do. On both occasions. So the first time in do it, you understand? And maybe he look up pitney rated and then the second time now, them interview him. Boy, I don't know how some man finally got to do this, guys. I don't understand. 51-year-old. I wonder if they make mistake with the age. 51-year-old me, so that a big grown man, you know. You need to check out if it's this man have no daughter, or no guys, or no granddaughter. No, hear me. You need to check out if the man have no daughter or no granddaughter. Because if he might do this to stranger, that means something we might do long time. This is not first time, guys. Long run, short catch. I never see something like this yet from a band. God no. When I read it, I say no. So that means this is a case this man could have I have to watch my word them again. He could have take when I'm talking at Jamaican term. He could have take where look at pitney, you know. Do him do with her, you know. And then KILLR, you know. And there goes another case again, you know. You're living among some vipers. We are living among some monsters, guys. Can you believe that? No, sir. Yesterday, I played one video, the first part of my Father's Day video, and I'm going to play it back right now. I'm wanting to listen to this, share the video, and like it. Listen what you look up at them, I say.
This is a message to the rippers and the murderers. Gotta watch you so I better you fly from out top. Leave the baby and them innocent. Me a wanna inno, and me not talk again. My vexed, my angry, my hurt. I'm scared. I'm hurt. I'm fed up. What are you doing to help us?
What are we doing to help the little ones, them guys? If you don't watch the video there and feel some form of emotional reaction, you're not a human. Just imagine we could have read about this 6-year-old in a different way. You understand, guys? It is very terrible. I don't know how Jamaica become this the playground. I don't know how we become that. Jaja. Anyway, guys, big up on yourself. Soon in the next post. Jano, I'm tired and fed up. I'm tired. Look how much women there are back road. You got back road at night time. When you drive past, there's so many. You don't want them to woman there. So you say you can't get no man come work at your yard? Jeez, them a work and they have them yard and you look up it. You be careful, guys. Be careful. Bless up on yourself, yeah. Put God first. I'm out.
What this be? Oh. I'll call my daddy. And tell him Happy Father's Day. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, boy, you sit down. I'm gonna read something to you.
Where's that?
I'm gonna read something to you. Sit down and listen to me.
What is that?
Happy Father's Day to my biggest inspiration. Daddy, I couldn't have done this without you. Nothing makes me happier than the time we spend together. I'll say it now, and I'll always say it, and I'll say it 1,000,000 times. I love you so much.
Same thing to you, man. Love you to see me, man. Yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't cry.
Daddy, me love you, no, Daddy. You actually didn't even know it. You done so much things for me. And I appreciate it. If I never you sometime I don't know. Sometime I love you, brother. Yeah, me love you. Me love you, me appreciate you. You always did it for me no matter what. You always did it for me. And me said, Daddy, are you that? I me love that about you.
Love you too, brother.
Me just wish me could have paid back in a million times, but me know everything going good. One day you have to sit down and me just like take care of you, but I just got on time.